In this third part, we will be only focused on the front end. Welcome to Easy Tools channel. So let's start building this amazing front-end app. So go to your project, go to front-end part by running the cd command. So you are in the app.js, remove all the title, replace it with a div balise. After that, just create a new folder called components. In this folder, create a file called home.jsx, and if you don't have this command, you have to install the extension called ES7 for React. Just install it and you will be able to do the same as me. So pass the style.css in the description. Just pass it here and import it in the home component. Let us make a little review. So we have a lot of class here. Editor class, you see, you have also the class for the line numbers, the class for the order part. So you will see this important very soon. So after that, go to the app.js, import the home component, and let's run the server to see the result. So you see we get the home like right in the home component. So right here, right now, we will start to beautify our application. So start using Tailwind CSS to make our app very beautiful and very user friendly. So first of all, we will give a background, then give it the width fit. The minimum of the 8 will be all the screen, padding 10, flex colon, justify center, item center also, and we will make the title Python IDE, you see, and we give it the beautiful class. So for the medium, text 7XL, text 3XL. We want the text to be a font bold and in the center. So after that, we will make a div. You see, we give it the width full, flex, display flex colon, all the item will be in center, justify the element in center. So you see here we make our app responsive. So all the parts we choose necessary, we will make it responsive. So in this div we will have another div. You will see the difference. So what is very beautiful is that we get many options with Tailwind CSS. So the form will be contain the code we will write. So we want the form to be also beautiful. So we also will design the response part, right? So just comment to see where we'll get the API response. So we'll get the API response here. Title response. If I'm quick, you can just pause the video and follow all the property I'm writing. So let's design the form part right now. Start with the div for the editor part. We already have the editor and line number classes you see in the style.css. Text area is where the code will be writing. The next step will be the input and the button. So for the button, you have also this class in the description. Just copy it and pass it here. We will beautify the input, type number, so you see the application is responsive. So for the design, we are almost good. The next step is use the hook to handle some event and some variable. First of all, the code. We have to handle the code, right? So const code. This is good. Go for options. Just options equals as we use the options, we have to define the select options, right? So we go back. You see, everything is fine. So in the next video, we will be focused on make the animation. You see, when I enter, the line doesn't increment. So we will be focused on that part, and start writing the backend code in the next video.